Artificial intelligence is becoming a bigger part of everyday browsing, and Microsoft Edge has Copilot built directly into the browser. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge. Look in the top right corner of the browser window. If Copilot is available, you will see the Copilot icon in the toolbar. Click it to open the Copilot side panel. If you don't see the Copilot button, you can enable it manually. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Open Settings. From the sidebar, choose Copilot and AI. On this page, you can manage Copilot-related options. Look for the setting called Show Copilot button on the toolbar and turn it on. The Copilot icon will now appear at the top of Edge, giving you quick access whenever you need it. You may also see an option related to Copilot New Tab page. This controls whether Copilot features are integrated into your new tab experience. If enabled, Edge can provide a more AI-focused browsing start page. If disabled, your new tab page stays closer to the traditional Edge layout. Now let's open Copilot. Click the Copilot icon in the toolbar. A side panel will appear on the right side of the browser. At the top of the panel, you may see a drop-down menu with different actions. One useful option is Chat, which gives you a normal conversation with Copilot where you can ask questions, request explanations, brainstorm ideas, or get help with tasks. Another option is Summarize Page. This allows Copilot to analyze the web page you are currently viewing and create a shorter overview of the important information. This is useful when reading long articles, documentation, reports, or research pages. Inside the chat area, you can choose different Copilot modes depending on what you are trying to accomplish. Smart Mode is the general-purpose option for everyday questions and assistance. Think Deeper focuses on more detailed reasoning and is useful for complex questions that require more analysis. Study and Learn is designed for educational purposes, helping explain concepts, create learning materials, and guide you through topics. Search focuses more on finding information from the web and helping you explore current topics. You can switch between these modes depending on whether you need quick answers, deeper explanations, learning support, or information gathering. Copilot also allows you to upload files. Click the plus icon and then add images or files. You can add supported files and ask Copilot to analyze them, summarize them, explain their contents, or help you work with the information inside. This can be useful for documents, notes, images, and other files you want assistance with. You can also customize the way Copilot sounds. Open Copilot settings and look for the voice options. Three dots at the top, then Settings. There you can see Voice. Click on it. Here you can test different voice styles such as Grove, Wave, and Meadow. Each voice has a different tone and personality, so try them out and choose the one that feels most comfortable for you.
As a companion, I learn about you.
I can get philosophical, creative, or poetic if you like. Think of me as your superpower in your pocket.
I want to hear your big ideas.
Let's explore the world together.
I can't wait to learn more about you. We can
What do you think? Could we make a good brainstorming duo?
Whether you use Copilot for researching, summarizing, studying, writing, or general questions, these settings help you create a better experience. And that wraps it up. You now know how to open Copilot in Microsoft Edge, explore its main tools, and adjust the settings to match the way you like to browse. For more Microsoft Edge walkthroughs, browser tricks, and AI feature tutorials, make sure to check out the next video. Thanks for watching.